Hi Redneck Garage fans. Today we'll be installing this 6-foot LED lighted whip onto the 800EX. First, as you see, for this particular whip mount, you have to pre-drill the roll cage mount to a bigger hole, which was a pain in the rear without a drill press, as you've seen, and without a vise. I do not have a vise yet. The hole needs to be drilled out to 1/2 inch. That is plenty big enough. It still leaves meat on the bone to hold the whip. That is the exact size it needs. Now, what we have to do today is we have to cut this net. I will show you in a second. Okay? Make sure you like, share, subscribe. I'll wait. Will you hurry up? I need that like. I also need that subscribe. Go for it. I'm waiting on you. Got it? Cool. Let's go. Alright. First of all, we need to go through the mount pieces and see what ones fit. Should be it. We're going to cut this center one right here. Cut. Bada boom, bada bang. Now we're going to get the included hardware. We need 2 bolts, 2 washers, and the included tool that they include. And we are going to put them in. We're gonna undo these real quick. Okay. Leave it to me. Snug enough to work with. I'll get the big tools and tighten it here later. But we want to get this whip down in. Okay. Stick the whip down in. Now this whip has a quick disconnect, which is going to be nice. We're going to put that there. Okay. We're going to get the included nut and lark washer. Go up under here. Okay. And then I'm going to get my wrench, which is a 3/4, is what fit that. Mind you guys, this did come from China. And we're going to tighten her down as tight as we can get her. Now Amazon does sell, I'll have a link in the description for the LED whip. I'll have a link in the description for the mount. They do have another different mount, so you can mount it on this sidebar or something here. I chose this mount because this is where I wanted my light whip to be. There I go, just turning a little bit. I'm gonna have to go get these channel locks. It's nice and tight on there now. Probably as tight as you're gonna get it. These bad puppies from Harbor Freight come in real nice. They were 10 bucks for the whole kit. With a stand, not bad. Not bad at all. Lift that up where we want her. Tighten her down. Now, for the wire, we're going to bring the wire around. This wire that they give you. See, I don't know what this is. Now what the plan is take the black one, we're going to ground it somewheres up here. And then we're going to take the red one and we're going to tie it into the switch that does the LED lights up top, up front. Catch my drift? Alright, we put some more of our famous heat shrink connectors on here. Now we're going to heat them so we can shrink them. Love these connectors, they protect very well. They make it a nice watertight, weather-tight connection. Take your time, don't burn the wires, don't melt the wires. You just want to melt that glue and shrink these connectors down on. They will shrink until they turn clear. When they turn clear, you know that glue's working. See that glue oozing out? That's a good thing. Keep the flame back. Alright, we're going to continue letting those melt. And we're going to get our famous electron tape. I use the vinyl stuff, the good stuff, the best stuff. Nice and cool. Now we're going to wrap just one of these real quick, preferably the positive, just in case. Just a quick tight wrap, then we'll wrap them both. Wrap it nice and tight. That's right, nice and tight. Alright, they're wrapped nice and tight, and as you see, we got these wires feeding down here. We're going to pull them out, pull them down, pull them together. This is the Bluetooth controller, so we're going to leave it up here, right nicely back there. Okay, just like so. Alright. Just like that. Bring these down. Now, we're going to ground it over here on this computer where the computer's grounded. So we're going to cut this. We're going to cut this black one. Right like that. Trim her back. We're gonna get us one of these. Put it on there. Crimp her on. Some more electrical tape. We're gonna wrap that up to make somewhat of a weather tight seal. This time we're going to do extra tight on the tape. You can use heat shrink on that. Okay. It will not hurt to ground right here, guys. Will not hurt at all. Not gonna hurt a thing. You can ground anywhere on the machine. Anywhere at all. Just make sure it's tight. Then we'll end up zip tying that up there. Okay. We'll zip tie it to the rest of those wires. Alright. See, I don't know if you can see it or not, but I got the relay in here. I got electrical grease on every connection except for that one. I even went and electrical greased all the connections from CF Moto. You might want to do as many of them as you can. I can't really show you without taking the camera in there. But there's 3 10mm bolts. One right here, one right here, one right there. Take those out. You can pull this plastic back about an inch or more. But you don't need that much. And you run the wire up in there. Okay? That's where I like to run my wires. It's nice and protected and it runs right inside here. Bring this down inside there. In there. Okay. Put your bolts back in through here. Push on the plastic a little bit, get them in. I smell antifreeze. Oh no. My CF Moto's leaking antifreeze. Must be a water pump thing. Looks like I'm gonna have to take it in. And whenever I take it in, I'll have to get that shock fixed. Okay guys, we ran our wires up under the fender again, real simple, and back down into the dash. Okay, you see that red wire? Now we are going to zip tie all that. Now what we want to do in here, remember the last video I didn't put all this all the way together? We want to pull this back off, which we have a ground there. Don't forget that. We're going to pull this off. And this. I believe it's this switch we're going to need to pop it out. This is the cheesy way of doing it. Okay, I'm gonna need our red wire. It should be poking around in here somewhere. There's that ground. There's that. Gotta find our red wire. I can't figure out how to get this whole plate off, and I didn't want to break it. So, there it is. Out. Just gotta figure out which wire it is. So we're gonna take our handy dandy multimeter. We're gonna hook it on the ground, which I already know. There's a ground right there. Okay. Okay, tubes. We went through the wires with the multimeter that runs the LED parts of the headlights. And we found that on this switch, 1, 2, 3, 4th switch over, it was the brown wire. The brown wire runs those. Now my bar comes on when the lights are turned on. So we're going to go ahead and shove that back in the hole. Push it. Okay, we got that. This is a ground wire, not gonna hurt anything. I got it in there. I pre-ran it for different accessories that I may hook up down the road, so I don't have to keep running wires through this thing. Okay, so now we're gonna take and get our tool. We're gonna put our ground back on it. Okay. I want to make sure. Alright, that still works, so we're good. Okay. Get that in there. You don't want to over tighten that. Man, am I bleeding. Cut myself open really good. Here's the other bolt. Goes in there like so. Okay, tubes, I want to say thanks for watching this video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Also, make sure you check out the links to where you can get these rocker switches. I'll have them down there because I know y'all are liking them. There will be links as to where you can get the LED whip. I'll turn it on for you in just a second. There will be links as to where you can get that mount. And check out the other videos for the other things I installed on here for links for them. Okay? We'll do that, and we're going to turn this on for you real quick. There you go, tubes. It's hooked in with the running lights. No extra switches needed. I'm going to go through and route the wires. They're already routed, but I need to zip tie them up real nice and tight and make it look pretty. I'm going to get rid of these flags now. Those were just for the Memorial Day weekend and that. And I really hope that you like this. And I'll get a better outside picture in the dark. So we'll try to get to that. That'd be in the future. I'll definitely post pictures online. This thing is 6 foot tall, guys. 6 foot tall. I think it's too big myself, but we'll see. If I have to, I'll get the shorter one and stick on here. Since it'll all have the same connector, it'd be easy to put on. And then I'll just save that one for my truck or something whenever I get a new one. Alright guys, Redneck Garage, out. Peace. Like, share, and subscribe. Check out the links. Thank you.